tarisai mukati, shumba inoruma. Tarisai mukati, shumba inoruma. Chenjera kutsikwa, shumba inoruma. Chenjera kutsikwa, shumba inoruma. Zai rakaora. What do you think Eddy's doing? I don't know. Is he really sleeping? It looks like it. Should we wake him up?
Amy, ndakamuka man.
Oh! Sorry, Eddy, we thought you were sleeping. Yeah, Eddy, you look like you were sleeping.
Aiwa ndinorara zvangu. Ndikudzidzira kuita shumba.
You're learning to be a lion? Why on earth you do that?
Ndakaona paTV pachitaura nezveshumba. Vakati shumba dzinogona kurara kutosvika maawa 20 pazuva.
Lions can sleep for up to 20 hours a day? You've got to be kidding.
Aiwa, ndinorevesa. Kumwe kurara, kumwe kungozorodza maziso. Ndizvo zvaitaura pachirongwa chacho.
Oh, so they only nap sometimes? I see. What else do they tell you on the programme, Eddy?
Uri kuona ichi Kwazi?
Yeah?
Ichi chinonzi zenze yeshumba.
You mean the mane?
Zenze. Shumba yechirume ndiyo ine zenze. Yangu yakanaka handiti?
Yeah, like your mane, Eddy. So only the male lion has one? Is that why they call him the king of the jungle? Actually, Kwazi, the lion isn't really the king of the jungle. That's just something they say. You mean lions don't live in the jungle? Nope. So where do they live? Why don't we ask our friends that? Friends, do you know where lions live?
The jungle, of course.
Where else have you seen them?
At a zoo.
Where?
At a zoo?
Lions live in the savannah. I don't know, but I think so.
In the forest and in the zoo. In a field. Maybe one left field.
So, lions live in the zoo and people are looking after them, but the ones in the wild live in the savannah in places with water and a bit of cover for shelter. So they don't live in the jungle, but it does make a really cool song. Wow, I never knew that. Thanks, Trymore. So the lion is the king of the savannah. Zimbabwe's got loads of savannah, and so if the lion is king and has a mane, what about the female lion, the lioness? I know, the lioness doesn't have a mane, only the male has one. The mane covers their heads and necks and stretches under their belly, and it can be really dark too. Wow. But the lionesses are brilliant. They're the ones that do most of the hunting because they're better hunters than the males. I heard that a lion can run at about 50 miles an hour for a short time. That's really fast. I bet they can catch anything at that speed. That's faster than my mum's car. So what kind of food do lions eat?
Shumba manje. Iwe. Shumba inongodya nyama chete. Chete. Hapana chimwe.
Yeah, I heard they only eat meat.
Iwe. Shumba inofarira nyama chekuti pano manje. Painovhima inogona kubata mbizi kana kongoni. Iwe. Inotobata nyama inokwana mhuri yese. Kana dzese dzaguta dzombozorora kwemazuva.
What? You mean lions only eat every few days?
And
they live in groups? Yes, I've heard that too. Lion groups are called a pride. I heard that there can be up to 30 lions in one pride with males, females and baby lions. What's a baby lion called anyway? A baby lion? Well, Trymore, why don't we ask our friends if they know what a baby lion is? Friends, do you know what a baby lion is called?
A cub. A cub, of course.
A baby lion is called a cub.
Baby. What's called a cub?
So a baby lion is called a cub.
Ya, neshona inonzi handa.
Oh, a cub is called Handa in Shona? Yeah, that's right. Oh, I see. And do cubs go hunting too?
Chirongwa chacho chaiti handa inotanga kudzidzira kuvhima kana yasvitsa mwedzi mitatu.
Just 3 months old? I'm glad I'm not a lion. I still can't even make a sandwich for myself.
Taura hako, asi papfupi apo. Shumba inenge yatopera kukura painosvitsa makore matatu.
What? A full-grown lion is only 3 years old?
Saka shumba dzinombofanana nekitsi dzepamba handiti? Hadzisi dzekutamba nadzo shuwa.
What do you mean, like other cats? A lion's cats? Like Farina?
Kwazi, shumba naFerina vatoneukhama ufunge.
Yeah, Kwazi, lions are from the cat family, but they're much bigger than the cats that live in the house. There are 5 types of big cat. The tiger, the lion, the jaguar, the leopard, and the snow leopard. Not all of them live in Africa, though. I never thought lions were cats. They're huge. How big do you think they are? Well, a baby lion can be just 1.5 kilos heavy when it's born. Oh. Yeah, that's really small and cuddly. But they grow really fast. By the time they're 3 years old, a fully grown male lion can be 180 kilos. And a lioness can be 130 kilos. Wow. That's bigger than my mum and dad, that's for sure. Yeah, that's right. In fact, the only big cat larger than a lion is a tiger.
Lendaita zvangu ingwe.
Don't worry, Eddy. You can be a tiger whenever you like. So what sounds do lions make anyway? Well, lions meow, hiss, and snarl, just like domestic cats do, but much louder. They also have a huge roar that can be heard from 8 kilometers away. So, if you think about it, Kwazi, when your mum takes you out shopping, she would have to drive to somewhere 10 minutes away. And if you stopped and listened, you can still hear a lion that you left at home. Wow.
Kushamwari dzedu, munogona kujova here seshumba?
No. What you paint? What you painting? What you painting, Mummy?
Can you roar like a lion?
Yes, I can. Let me show you. So this is how I roar. Roar. That's how I roar.
Ya, shumba idzo dzinotyisa mheni. Saka indofarira zvangu shumba. Musandichinje zvenyu handiti. Nhasi ndinonzi Eddy Shumba.
What do you know about lions?
They're one of the golden brown creatures. They have 4 legs,
They eat meat and they can roar up to 2 meters away.
Wow.
What do you know about lions?
I know that they're yellow and furry all around their body, and they sometimes have babies.
So today we learnt loads about lions. We love these big cats. They start off so small, but they grow to be really big and can be as heavy as 2 grown-ups. I think what I love the most about lions is that they live in groups known as a pride. That just sounds really cool.
Zvinofadza. Ini ndinofarira kuti shumba dzechidzimai ndidzo dzinovhima. Ende shumba dzinogona kupedza mazuva akawanda stereki dzisina kudya. Dzakangokotsira.
But they can eat a whole zebra or wildebeest in their group when they do eat. That is huge. Yeah, the lion really is the king of the savannah, with a really huge roar that you can hear from 8 kilometers away.
Shumba inofadza iwe. Inodzidzira kuvhima ichiri handa.
But it can grow from a cub to fully grown in just 3 years. And then it can run at up to 50 miles an hour. That's a lot of growing and a lot of speed for anything.
Taura hako iwe. Nsaka ndichifarira zvangu shumba ini.
We love lions!